In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Headspace. If you're on Android, the simplest way to get the app is straight from the Google Play Store, and I'll walk you through it so it's quick and stress-free. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You'll find it among your apps. Its icon is a small multicolored triangle. Once the store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the word Headspace, then pause for a moment while the results appear. You're looking for the official listing titled Headspace, Meditation and Health. It's published by Headspace Inc., so make sure you see that developer name as a quick way to confirm you've got the right one before you move forward. When you're on the correct app page, tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. You'll see a progress bar while it works. This part can take a little time depending on your connection, so keeping your phone connected and the screen awake can help it move along smoothly. If you accidentally leave the Play Store, don't worry. The download will continue in the background. As soon as the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch Headspace for the first time. You can also find the new app on your home screen or in your app drawer whenever you want to come back to it later. After installation, you're ready to get started. You can create a free Headspace account to save your progress and personalize your experience. Once you're in, you can begin guided meditation sessions that walk you through breathing, focus, and relaxation techniques step by step. If better sleep is your goal, explore the sleep section for soothing sessions designed to help you wind down. You'll also find mindfulness and relaxation tools that fit into short breaks or longer moments of calm, so you can pick what works best for your day. That's all there is to it. Open the Google Play Store, search for Headspace, Meditation and Health by Headspace Inc., tap Install, wait for the download to complete, and tap Open. From there, create your free account, start a guided meditation or a sleep session, and explore the mindfulness tools that support your routine. If this was helpful, go ahead and follow along as you practice and enjoy the calm Headspace brings to your day.